How would you say, how is it going in Igbo?
Ke ka o si aga? How would you say, how have you been? Ke ka ị dị? How would you say, what's up? Ke nke na-eme? How would you say, what's new with you? Ke nke dị ọhụụ? How would you say, what are you up to? Ke ihe ị na-akwado? How would you say, what's this one? Ke ihe bụ ihe a? How would you say, who is this? Ke onye bụ onye a? How would you say, how is it hanging? Ke ka o si begoro? How would you say, how is work? Ke maka ọrụ? How would you say, how far? Ke ije? How would you say, hope all is well? Eji m n'aka na ihe niile dị mma. How would you say, do you know what's up? Ịma nke na-eme.
Note: Ke is the same as kedu.
Did you get anyone correctly? Please let us know in the comments.